गोंयांतल्या कोमनीदादींची परिस्थिती दिसपट्टी वायट जायत चल्ल्या. एका वाटेन राजकीय वजन आशिल्ले कांय जाण कोमनीदादीच्यो जमनी बळकायतात, जाल्यार दुसरे वाटेन कोमनीदाद कार्यालय सांबाळपी प्रशासकांच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून कार्यालया सयत कार्यालयांत आशिल्ल्या कोमनीदाद जमनीच्या कागदांची वाट लागल्या. सेंट्रल झोन कोमनीदादच्या वांगड्यांनी सोमारा पणजेंत आशिल्ल्या कोमनीदाद सेंट्रल झोन कार्यालयांत वचून पळोवणी केल्ल्यान कोमनीदाद कार्यालयाची जाल्ली अवस्था नदरेक आयली. पोरणे दुकुमेंत पिड्ड्यार जाल्ल्यान कोमनीदादचे वांगडी बेजारल्यात. देखून तांणी तिसवाडी आनी फोंड्याच्या कोमनीदादच्या वांगड्यांक 13 जूनाक पणजेंत पळोवणी करपा खातीर येवचे अशी मागणी केल्या.
We have gathered here only to just tell you all, and we have called you also, only to discuss that all attorneys of Tiswadi Komunidad, that is Central Zone, should remain present in the Office of Administration on 13th of this month at 10:30 a.m. to see regarding the archives of Komunidad of Tiswadi Taluka. Only this one.
What is the issue?
Archives, to check the archives of Komunidad of Tiswadi. We have got one inside archives, that is of all Tiswadi Komunidads. So we want to just highlight that actually, you know, what has happened there, what is gone wrong inside, how the books have been destroyed, that we have to discuss. Maintenance of that building, I mean that archive.
What is gone wrong?
Complete cupboards and all rats have destroyed everything. We are calling for a meeting of all attorneys of Tiswadi Komunidad on 13th of this month at 10:30 at Office of Administration of Komunidad Central. We are only 5 fellows. 5 fellows cannot do. We are all together 69 Komunidads. So all Komunidads should come together and see what is the position of that, how we can go ahead of repairing of that, how the archives have to be maintained. Everything will be discussed.
So आम्ही आज थोडे कुमदादीचे वडील जे आहे हिंग मेळ्ळे. द आयडिया वॉज पावसात आता कितें जालें तें चोवपाक अँड टू मेक अ प्लॅन. सो द प्लॅन इज जे भाशेन आमगे एसोसिएशन ऑफ कंपोनेंटोस ते कुमदादीचे जे प्रेसिडेंटान सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन नेक्स्ट मंडे ऑन 13th वी कॉल आउट फॉर अ मीटिंग एट 10:30 ओवर हियर ऑफ ऑल द अटर्नीज, ऑफ ऑल द प्रेसिडेंट्स, all the treasurers of Tiswadi Central Zone. So we request them all to come. We totally, all of us together, who are going to be participating in a joint inspection of all the archives. So we would also want you all to come that day. We would open up, we will give them a notice to open up all the windows, the doors, so that there is light inside. And then this inspection will be carried out. This inspection will be locked down, and this inspection will then further taken up what is required, and we'll draw up a plan how to maintain these archives, what has happened, and what is the budget required if we have to do digitalization. So हे सगळे आम्ही 13thचेर सगळ्यांगेले कलेक्टिव्ह डिसिजन घेऊन मुखार वतले. So the idea of meeting today was to make this plan and to chalk out a date and to make an awareness for all the Kumdads through this press.
Why? What is the reason?
See, keeping monsoons and keeping this building state over here, we all come to know that this building requires maintenance and repairs. This is not the first time. It has been brought to the notice several times. So since it's in monsoons, we had all come here to see and to make a plan how we will move ahead for the maintenance part. And during this overall superficial with the president, we decided let's come up with a date. And now that date is put as the 13th. We need all the attorneys, the treasurers and the presidents belonging to the Tiswadi Komunidad to come here, because if we don't start thinking of this and protecting these archaeological sites and this kind of structures now, then it might be too late one day, because everything could collapse. So let us do a thorough inspection and then put down things in details and every aspects, roof, the cupboards, everything, and then put it out in a proper documented manner. So this was the results of today's meeting.
Documents कितने important है to preserve?
See, of course, these documents are very valuable documents. All the Kumdad documents are lying there.
Yeah, so as long as 420 years old.
Okay.